Sorry. Hello? Now voice is there? Okay, thank you. Welcome back. Okay. Sorry for the voice. Okay. Now we will move to the last session or the last part for today, how to submit offline exams. I will do it using my phone. Okay. I have shared here. You can see my phone now. Okay. I will show you my phone. You can see my phone now. Okay. This is zipgrade. Okay. Okay, you have the app now. This is the app on the mobile phone. Okay. Now I will synchronize here. I will sync. Click on synchronizing. Okay, I will synchronize everything. Okay, with the desktop. Now I have these quizzes. I have one of them is already created. I can create a new one if you wish. I am using my mobile phone. Okay. What you have to provide here is the name of the quiz. I am using my mobile phone. You will use the, okay. For example, quiz offline. Fine. You can see it very well. You can see it very well, huh? Okay. And this is, I have to select the answer sheet now. I have to select the answer sheet. This is an answer sheet. And this is the date. Okay. And I have to select the class now. Selected the class. And I can add a tag. For example, lab. This is a lab exam. And I can save it. Okay. I can now click on save. And you can see this is a new quiz. This quiz will be an offline one. This will be an offline. I can edit now the key. I can edit the key. And you can select the key from here. Okay. For example, this is my key. This is the correct answers. Okay. It's done now. This is the key answer A. This is the answers. Okay. Now I finished keying the answer. Now I can scan the paper. Okay, guys. The next step is to scan the paper. I have prepared another paper for another exam. I will show you now. Okay. For example, for this exam, This is an offline exam. Now I will start using my phone and to scan. I will start scanning. Okay, I will start scanning now. I will scan the paper. This is a mobile phone. As you can see, you have to put the 4 squares in the, okay, and finish. As you can see, it's finished now. I will move to the another one, another student. I will try to, oh, it's done now. I can take another student. Okay, this is another student. I have to put it in the 4 corners. Okay. I finished. I scanned only 3 papers. Okay. I scanned only 3 papers. Now I will review the paper. As you can see, these are for this student, Bassam. This is the paper. Then I will review the papers here. I can review for Abdul Rahman. This is the paper for Abdul Rahman. And this is the paper for Bassam. And this is the paper for Osama. As you can see, using the mobile phone, I scan it using the mobile phone. Okay, any question? Any question? It's easier. What I have done, really, yes, this is what I have done. What I done, yeah, Dalal. What I done here is I printed the PDF sheets and submitted and distributed to the student. The student answers the sheets, as you can see. And I scan it. I scan the answer sheet and get the result automatically. Okay. Now I have to come, if you wish, I can come back to the desktop and I can see the exam here. I will come, this is the quizzes and should be synchronized now. Okay. I can synchronize everything. Now this is the offline. Okay, I have 3 students, paper graded. This is graded also. This is, I can, now I am checking on the desktop. Okay, since it is there is synchronization between the mobile and the desktop. Okay. Any question? Yeah, I have really what I have done. I will show you what I've done. I have printed this file. Okay, you will print this file, but you have to have a good printer and don't print it in economic mode. Okay, you have to print it in high quality. It should be as dark as possible. Okay, since I need to, okay, to scan it. Okay, I print this file and the student answered the question here and I get the papers graded automatically. Okay. How do you find it? No, it should be shaded. But they can use any, as we can say, they can use pencil, pen, but it should be dark. Okay? They can use both pencil and pens. But shading, yeah, it should be shaded, yeah. Not cross, yeah. To scan it, for the scanning, yes, it should be shaded, yeah. But they can use pen, pencil, but should be dark, okay? It should be dark. Okay. Thank you. Any question for that? I have already printed this paper, okay, as you can see, and I answer it and I scan it, okay? I scan it now. Really, I printed using a very high quality printing and should be dark as possible as you can. Okay, that's all for the, yeah, we have tried all the type of exams on zipgrade, as you can see. And that's all you need. We can make a small revision. We started by adding a class, then we add the class, then you add a student to that class, then you will create answer sheet for your exam, custom answer sheet, then you will create a quiz, and if it is only offline, it's sufficient that you create the quiz, okay, and then you print the style sheet for your student and give it to your student on the day of the exam, and you will come back and scan it using your mobile phone. You can do the online if you wish, and we have for the online exams we have two types, okay, of submission for the student. You have either the verified submission or the open submission. But what we prefer here is to do the verified submission. It's better than the open submission. Okay? And we have a special portal for the student, as you can see. This is the student portal, zipgrade.com/s. This you will get the student portal. This is all what we can say about, or we can tell you about zipgrade. It's a tool that's similar, maybe for the exams, similar to Blackboard and Moodle, but it's much easier, I think, to use. Very simple to use. Very simple. But it's oriented only for small, not great amount of students. Yes, it will be better if you have a small number of students. And but it is very efficacious when you have an offline exam. It means on paper. Then you can scan the paper after that. This is the idea here. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any questions, then we can finish the workshop for today. Thank you very much. Muhammad. Thank you very much. And really, I appreciate you for today. I hope that you enjoy it. It's a tool, maybe. It's a way of changing. Okay, thank you. Maybe the new thing that how we can, the new idea here is that we are able to scan the paper using the mobile. This is the new item for today. I know it's similar to, for online submission, it's similar to Blackboard, but the new point here is how to submit an offline exam. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you for your listening and patience. And thank you for your time. Have a good night and happy end of year. Happy end of year. Since this is the last week for training courses here in the e-learning deanship. This will be the last week, and I hope you enjoy it for today. Thank you. See you and good night.